trust me, you can get it. Pull up whenever, whenever. You know I'm with it, don't get it twisted. Nothing like none of these bitches. But sometimes I get in my feelings.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is featuring the Bobbi Boss Blonde series Atlas, and I have her in the color Barbie Blonde. This is how the unit looks straight out of the packet. She comes in HD transparent lace with a high ventilation cap. She comes with baby hairs and has a 5-inch deep lace parting space. She has these protected slips over the combs, 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and adjustable straps. Okay, so yes, they wasn't lying. The lace is definitely transparent. I thought this was my skin for a second. I'm pinning the hair back and going in to cut the ear tabs off on each side of the lace so that the lace fits my head properly. I'm going to cut 3 sections so that I can focus on one side at a time and have it be easier to lay the lace down. I go in lightly with the Ghost Bond glue around the perimeter and use the end of my comb to smoothen it back and forth onto my skin. Once the glue turns clear, I go back and I do this step 3 times in total for a better and secure hold. Now that the glue is tacky, I'm going to pull the lace down and press directly with my fingertips for all 3 sides. At this point, I'm putting on my elastic band so that the lace can stay in place and melt flawlessly onto my skin. I'm going in to cut that extra lace off just so that it doesn't bother my eyes. I'm going in with the blow dryer on the cool setting. It is hot out and we don't need this thing slipping off. So now we're going to remove the elastic band and get to cutting. To cut the lace, I'm going in with the eyebrow razor. This method gets as much lace off as possible and comes off in a natural zigzag effect. As far as my baby hairs, I will be taking out a thin layer on all sides and cut them down to my liking. Just a reminder, you don't have to do baby hairs, but y'all know how I am by now. Just a little swoop swoop here and swoop swoop there and you're done. I'm going back in with the elastic band just to secure my baby hairs in place. This unit is 32 inches long and she's heat safe up to 400 degrees. So here's the final look of this unit. I didn't get too much tangling. She really didn't shed too much either, so that's a plus. I love how the lace blended in with my skin and she was super easy to install. She laid down very nicely. So she has like these waves and then she gets straighter towards the ends. I don't know why I did that. I think she would be pretty cute cut too. So this is the stock card and she does come in other colors such as 613A, beach blonde, pink, silver blonde, and sandy blonde. The texture on her is like a soft yaki feeling. She feels really nice and she does fit comfortable on my head and she's also lightweight. Well, I'm glad I reviewed her. I haven't seen too many reviews on this unit, but she is so nice. I would honestly go back and get her in more colors. That's it for today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!
Yeah, that's the way.